Hello everyone, welcome to Lead Code Everyday from Noob to Pro series. Today is day 10 and today we are going to discuss about Lead Code 167 to sum second input array sorted. Yesterday we had discussed about to sum where array input array was not sorted. Okay, let's see what is given in this. Given sorted array and target value. Okay, we have given a sorted array. Second point is that find two numbers such that they add up to target. Return their one base indices. Return their one base indices means that suppose if we plus these two values 2 and 7, so target is 9, so 2 plus 7 is equals to 9, right? And here if we return what is 1 0 and 1, but here we need to return one base indices, so here this will return 1 and 2. It will start with 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, need to pick two different numbers. Okay, we can't suppose if target value is 4, so we can't pick like 2 times 2. So here both the indices should be different. Return just one solution. Suppose here if target is equals to 9, right? So suppose here we have one more 7, so we can't give two solutions like 2 7 like 1 and 5 or 1 and 2, right? We can't do. We just need to give a one solution. Okay, let's see how we can do this. So there are multiple solutions that we can do. Firstly is that brute force method, where the complexity will be where we'll use for loop, and then inside the for loop, so here the complexity become O of n square, right? And yesterday we have seen that we can use the hash map, but yesterday we have used the hash map because the array was not sorted, right? So we need another hash map where we have added all the values where we have seen and then added their indices value. 2 like 2 is 1 7 2 if it is equals to target, and we are returning these values. Okay, but what we have seen yesterday that like the complexity, space complexity was O of n, right? And time complexity was O of n. But is there any method that we can make it more sorted, like there will be a space and time complexity will be less? Is there a possibility? Yes. Here if the array is already sorted, so we know that like here if it is 2, so we won't get 2 or 1 here, okay, after this point, because it is already sorted. So we are going to the larger value than 2. So what we can do, we can use the 2 pointer method. 2 pointer method, what is the mean of the 2 pointer? 15. Okay, firstly we will take a one left pointer and the right pointer. If the summation of both the values, if 15 and 17, 15 plus 2 is left, suppose left plus right double is equals to target. Okay, so we found this, what we found our solution. So we'll return these indices of both the values. Okay, but what if left plus right value is greater than target? Okay, greater than target, so that means it is already less value. So what we need a more lesser value. So we'll